Welcome back to my channel to all my viewers, and my name is Amardeep Mishra. So in this video, uh, okay, so in this video we'll talk about simplification technique, okay, and also we'll discuss a bit about how to use BODMAS and how to find out the square of a two-digit or a three-digit number. Okay, so before I start anything, so this is the table, okay, for the squares of number up to 30. Okay, you can see here 1 square, 1, 2 square, 2, 3 square, 9, right? 14 square, 196, 24 square, 576. So these are all the squares that you have to learn. Although with the passage of time, when you practice more and more questions, then all these squares will stick to your mind. But initially, just try to learn all these squares up to 30. That's very important. Because when you are solving the questions again and again, 22 square, 23 square, 24 square. So I do not want you guys to, find out the square again and again. It's better that this thing, all these squares, at least up to 30, they are there in your mind. And when you are solving the question, you can use them directly. Okay. So you can take the screenshot of this squares up to 30 and cubes up to 30. It's very important. You can see cubes up to 30, right? So these are the cubes of the numbers up to 30. You can again take the screenshot of this if you want. And they are really very important cubes. And sometimes you get the number series questions. Number series questions as in they will give you 1331, 1728, 2197, comma, question mark. So if you have remembered all these cubes, then this particular series will shine out to you. This is 11 cube, this is 12 cube, 13 cube. So next has to be 15 cube. 14 cube. Okay, so 11, 12, 13, 14 cube, like that. So in number series, you're going to see a lot many cubes based questions. So please learn all these cubes up to 30. Okay, let me clear this so that, yeah, these are the cubes up to 30. You can take the screenshot. Okay, now let's talk about how to find out the square of a two-digit number. Suppose you have to find out the square of 29. Okay, now a lot many people give you different shortcuts and techniques, but I think that the Vedic mathematic multiplication, which we already have learned in the previous video, so we can apply that method here also, right? So 29 square can be written as 29 into 29, right? Then the same thing, 9, this 9 into 9, 81, 1, putting it as carry. Then this cross multiplication, 2 into 9, 2 into 9. Means 2 into 9 is 18, 18 plus 18, 36. 36 plus 8, that is 44. 44 ka 4 and putting 4 as carry here. Okay, then you have to take this 2 and multiply this with 2. So 2 and 2 is 4. 4 plus 4 of carry, that is 8. 841. You see, 29 square is 841. So this is how we can find out the square of a two-digit number. Similarly, for example, I have to find out 55 square. So 55 square means what? This is 55 multiplying with 55. So what you can do, take this, multiply this with this 5. 5 into 5, 25 ka 5, putting 2 as carry. Then cross multiplication. 5 5 is 25, 5 5 is 25. 25 plus 25, 50. 50 plus 2, 52. 52 ka 2 and putting 5 as carry. Then this 5 and multiply this 5 with this 5. 5 into 5 is 25. 25 plus 5 is 30. So 3025 is the answer. Okay. That's how we can find out the square of any two-digit number. And this is the best method, I'm telling you. Okay. Because there are certain methods which are applicable for only a few numbers. You cannot apply those methods for all the numbers. So yeah. Now, how to find out the square of a three-digit number? You have to find out the square of a three-digit number. So let me tell you that also. Yeah. So suppose, okay. Suppose you have to find out the square of 113. So 113 square means what? 113 into 113. Now you have to multiply two numbers of three digits using the shortcut multiplication technique, which we have learned, okay, in one of the previous videos. So 113, multiply them. Now 3 into 3 is 9. Okay. Now taking 3 and 1 together. So you can do this cross multiplication. 3 into 1, 3 into 1. 3 into 1 is 3, 3 into 1 is 3. 3 plus 3, 6. Then you have to take all these three numbers together, means 1, 1, and 3. So multiply this 1 with this 3, this one with this 3, and this one with this one. So 1 into 3 is 3, 1 into 3 is 3, and 1 into 1 is 1. Means 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. Right? And then again, you have to take this 1 and this 1, cross multiply. 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 1 is 1, 1 plus 1, 2. And then this last one, multiply this with this number which is just above it. So 1 into 1 is 1. So 12769 is the answer. Okay, square of, you can take any number. Let me take 251 square, let's say. So 251 square means what? 251 into 251. Multiplying it. Now I'm going to do it very quickly. 1 into 1 is 1, then 5 ones are 5, 10, 10, 0, carry 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, that means 2 plus 2, 4, and 25 plus 4, 29, plus 1, 30 ka 0, putting 3 as carry. Then this cross multiplication, 10 and 10, 20, plus 3, 23, and putting 2 as carry. 2 into 2 is 4, 4 plus 2, 6. So 63001 is the answer. If you multiply 251 two times, means 251 square is 63001, 63,001. Now, this is the best method of finding out the square of a two-digit number or a three-digit number. I expect that this part is clear to all of you, right? Now, next, I'm going to talk about the concept of BODMAS. Although you know, you might be aware of BODMAS. Why I'm talking about BODMAS? Because we have to solve this question, okay? This question we need to solve. Now, BODMAS means what? B-O-D-M-A-S. B stands for bracket. O stands for off. D stands for division. M stands for multiplication. 8 stands for addition. S stands for subtraction. Okay, so bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So in this way, you have to solve the question. First, you have to solve the numbers within bracket. Then you have to solve the off. Wherever you see off written, OF, that you have to solve first. And then you have to go for division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. For example, in this question, you see, you have multiplication, you have square. So first you multiply them. First, you multiply these two and then you subtract or add. This is how we have to do. Okay. So 49 square, guys, using that method, first of all, we'll find out 49 square. The 49 square means what? 49 into 49, right? So 9 9 is 81, 8, putting 8 as carry. Then this cross multiplication, 36, 36, 72 plus 8. That is 80 ka 0, putting 8 again as carry. 4 4s are 16, 16 plus 8, 24. So 2401. This is the square. So at this place, I can put 2401. Okay. And then plus sign. Now 12 into 88. Now 88 into 12, you can multiply using the cross multiplication. Okay. Like 2 8 is 16, ka 6 putting 1 as carry. And then cross multiplication. 16 plus 8, 24, 24 plus 1, 25 ka 5, putting 2 as carry. Then 1 8 is 8, 8 plus 2, 10, 1056. Okay. So you will write 1056 here. Or you can directly multiply like 12 is 96, whichever is convenient for you. And then similarly here, if you multiply this, you will be getting how much? Okay, so now you have to solve this. 456410562401. Okay, so what you can do, you can I mean, this is 4564. Okay, this 3 and 8 were carried. So what you can do, you can add this and this first and then you subtract, or you can take this and subtract 1056 and then add 2401. It's up to you. So first, so how I am doing, I'm adding this and this. So 4 plus 1 5 6. Okay, 9 and 6. Now subtracting 1056 from it. Okay. So if you subtract 1056 from it, you will get 9. Okay. 0. Okay, 9 here and 5. Yeah, 5909. Option number A is the answer for this question. Okay, option number A. So what I'm trying to tell here is you can, this multiplication, you can multiply this way, or directly you can multiply like 12 with the 96 ka 6 putting 9 as carry and 12 with the 96 again. Okay, and adding the number, it's up to you, adding 9 in that. So 49 square in this way you have to find out. And then there is minus, there is plus. So you add this and this number and subtract this. So BODMAS we have learned from this question. In the next video, I'll take two more questions where you will be seeing the application of BODMAS. Okay. So if you have liked this video and if you have understood the things, please give a thumbs up. Means you have to like this video and give your comment and feedback, because that will really motivate me to make more and more videos. And share this video if you found it useful. You can share this with your friends. And thank you so much for watching this video. We'll meet in the next video.